Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and tonight we have the best marinade for skirt steak. As you guys know, we are huge fans of skirt steaks. So much so that Triple M said,
"What you doing?"
And then you said, I said skirt steak, and you said,
steak again?
And she said skirt steak again. We've got a few links to share. We have the Traeger skirt steak quick tips, which we'll put a link here.
The 2 ways.
The 2 ways we did with David that he showed us, the air fryer, which made me go get a new air fryer. So we're big fans of skirt steak. But this, by far, is the best marinade for skirt steak. Best one. I've been tweaking it for quite some time. I sent it to Drew, who's my brother in Tampa, and hopefully he comments down below. He's tried it and he added a few things to make it spicier. Sent it to Saul, he tried it and he said, yeah, it's delicious. So this is the best one. So we were at Sam's Club today and I saw
Skirt steak.
So this is quick. So what do you need for the marinade? You need some avocado oil, about a half a cup of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, some minced dried garlic, teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mustard, an entire bunch of cilantro. If you are the poor few that cilantro tastes like soap, there's people that
Yes.
cilantro just doesn't work in their mouth. It just tastes like soap. If that's you, skip this. But we love cilantro here. So cilantro's gonna make it. And I have 1 whole lime. So I'll get my marinade going in my bag, add my skirt steak, and we're off to the races. So give me 1 sec as I set up. Okay, so I rough chopped my bunch of cilantro and it smells already good in here. Do you smell it with the cilantro over there? Yeah?
Yeah.
So I'll add in about half a cup, quarter cup of avocado oil. You can use olive oil, but the avocado oil has a higher smoke point and it's a neutral flavor, so I prefer that. And then our W sauce, soy sauce, minced garlic, black pepper, cumin. I know Jeff, my friend in Indiana, he's not a fan of cumin, but you don't taste the cumin. You may smell it, but you don't taste it. Mustard. And of course, salt. The rough chopped cilantro. And then the lime. Remember we told you how to use this the last time? What video was that? Even Jeff commented down below that was one of the good nuggets. So lime juice. The entire lime. It's juicy. And then, well, we'll give this a nice little stir. Probably add a little bit more avocado oil. But you guys will get a skirt steak from the butcher and then do like I do and trim all the fat from the back. And while we have this skirt steak here, when it's done, do you guys see the grains?
Yeah.
You're gonna wanna slice it this way and then slice it this way because you wanna go against the grain or else it'll be tough. Best cut of beef, but you gotta slice it the right way.
Yeah. Now it's gonna be chewy.
Chewy, chewy, chewy. So I'll go ahead and get this added into my little baggie here. Close it up. Toss this around, get all the nooks and crannies. And at least 1 hour. We prefer what, 2, 3, 4 hours?
Yes.
Better get in there. And this is not a technique. Maybe I'll grill it. I have no clue. Maybe I'll do it in the Blackstone. Maybe I'll grill it. I don't know. It's all about the marinade. This is where it's at. So get the marinade down packed, try it, taste it, share it, and let us know what you think down below. But for right now, we'll be back at least in a couple hours. A couple of hours have passed. I've decided on a grill, so I'm gonna grill it marinated. And you guys know it's skirt steak. When it's done, wrap it up aluminum foil, let it rest. Skirt steak, quick sear, let it stay juicy and tender and perfectly cooked. So outside we're gonna go. So we're outside by the Acorn Kamado Grill. I'm in the market for a new grill, so if you guys can recommend just a straight grill, not a smoker, Acorn, green, just a straight grill, recommend below and we'll go shopping soon. But for now, got the grill hovering at 600 degrees. We'll do a quick sear. I'll do my best at recording this. I lost my CEO, but I'm doing the recording. Recording, sound, lighting, grilling. It's on the grill. We're gonna let it go for about 1.5 minutes per side. It's all about the timing. People wanna rush it. This is quick sear, searing the flavor both sides, and it'll wrap. So you'll see what my nice color we got on there. We'll try and record this one-handed. If I let go of the camera, it's because I'm just getting serious here. But here we go. Look at that color. That's what we're after. So we'll go another 1.5 minutes and then we'll pull. If I didn't tell you, you could smell the cilantro, you can smell the soy sauce, you can smell the W sauce, the mustard. It's smelling good out here so far. 1.5 minutes is up. We'll see if we can do this one-handed one more time. Look at the color on there. Look at that. We're back inside. Got the rest of my marinade. Got the skirt steak resting in this beautiful foil boat. I'll let this go for 10 minutes, 9 since it took me a minute to get back inside, and then we're ready to slice and serve. So see you in a few minutes. So my CEO is back. What's it smell like in here?
Smells good.
She hasn't seen the masterpiece, so this will be the first time she gets to see it. She handles the thumbnail picture, so I had to get her to get the thumbnail picture while I was recording one-handed. Look at the juice. Oh, that's not even gonna make the video, is it? Look at that. How's that?
Looks good.
Now you guys remember what I told you about slicing this, right? The grains are going across, so I don't want to slice it this way. So I'm gonna do this first, and then I'm gonna go across the grain like this. And remember I told you guys, quick sear, seal it up, seals in the flavor, the juices. Look, it's cooked perfect medium well, like we like it. People want to leave it on there forever, then it gets tough. Come taste one. Don't be shy.
Put on my hands on my stuff.
Well, I'll give you a piece then. Can I give you a piece? She said her hair's not done. Tell them what you think of it.
Well, that's good. Oh my God.
For science. Oh. The best marinade for a skirt steak. If you like this video, comment down below if there's anything you want to try or make. Share. Subscribe for more. That said,
A buen tiempo.
bye guys. See you next Friday. ¿Cómo está?
That's good.
¿Quieres que corte más?
Mira que está rojito.
¿Quieres que corte más? Y tiene agrio.
That's good.
Good?
Sabe como la de un restaurante.